What is Dellea.biz Computer Services? Nestled amidst the rolling hills and vibrant foliage of the Berkshires, where towering trees whisper secrets to the wind and brooks babble their ancient melodies, lies Dellea.biz Computer Services. More than just a repair shop, it's a haven for weary machines and their harried human companions, where Arthur Dellea, the Pied Piper of pixels, conducts his digital symphony. Since 1996, Arthur has been the guardian angel of Windows PCs within a 20-mile radius of Great Barrington, Massachusetts. He doesn't just speak binary, he dances with it, his fingers pirouetting across keyboards, coaxing sluggish systems back to life, and untangling the Gordian knots of software glitches. Armed with his CompTIA A+ certification and a heart full of tech-tonic empathy, Arthur tackles every problem with the confidence of a seasoned warrior and the gentle touch of a digital druid. But Arthur's repertoire extends far beyond the battlefield of basic repairs. He is the architect of intricate Wi-Fi networks, weaving threads of connectivity through homes and offices, banishing the demons of dead zones and buffering videos. He is the maestro of upgrades, breathing new life into aging machines with the latest hardware and software, transforming dusty dinosaurs into sleek digital thoroughbreds. And for those who crave the ultimate peace of mind, Arthur offers his VIP support plans, a digital fortress against the slings and arrows of the tech world. Imagine never having to hunt for antivirus updates again, your system automatically shielded from online nasties. Picture regular appointments where Arthur proactively scans your machine for potential gremlins, nipping problems in the bud before they can blossom into digital disasters. Envision the comfort of 24-hour critical event monitoring, a watchful eye guarding your data even when you slumber. And for those times when work or play keeps you away from your keyboard, let the gentle hands of unattended remote support work their magic while you dream of digital serenity. Dellea.biz Computer Services is more than just a service, it's a sanctuary for the technologically beleaguered. It's where Arthur, the tech alchemist, transmutes frustration into relief, confusion into clarity, and helplessness into empowered confidence. So, the next time your computer throws a tantrum, or your Wi-Fi forgets where it lives, don't despair. Remember the haven tucked away in the Berkshires, where Arthur Dellea waits, ready to weave his digital magic and restore harmony to your technological world. Grace and peace.